Teachers are leaders. You can't be a great teacher without being a leader. Plus, you've had these experiences at the Y at a very young age and other places. What's your greatest leadership lesson you think you've learned?
That's a great question. I think that you don't always have to be in the limelight to be a leader. You don't have to be in the front. You can lead from the rear. You can lead from behind. You can. You don't have to be the number one person. The other thing is that you have to allow people to make their own decisions about how and when they will follow. It's not always going to happen at one time. I think leading and getting people going in a direction is a process, and I think you have to believe that people will develop and grow to where you hope they will be.